Take a look at this mortgage payment this client sent in today. He pays about $2,700 a month. He owes about $280,000 on this house, which he's had for about 2 years. You can see how the payment breaks down. $234 of this $2,756 is principal reduction. $1,700 is interest, and he's got $739 in taxes and insurance. You literally have about 65% of this monthly payment going to absolutely nothing but interest, which is lining the pockets of the bank. This is why an amortized mortgage doesn't work anymore. It's because so much of the interest that the banks charge to us as the consumer is going to be charged within probably the first typically 10 years of your mortgage. Balance barely goes down. You get stuck in this refinance cycle, and the banks continuously make money off of you, and you stay trapped in a mortgage for decades. This is not by accident. This is by design. You become slaves to the bank for 30 years, if not longer for some of you, where you're constantly in this vicious cycle, especially all of you that have mortgages that are in the 7%, maybe even 8% range. If your servicer has the ability to refinance your loan, I guarantee you they're blowing your phone up right now, trying to sell you on a no-cost refinance, where they're either going to throw all the closing costs into your loan, they're going to figure out a way to bury the costs, and they're going to sell you on the fact that they can get you into a lower rate. And some of you are going to take the bait because you are so fixated on interest rate. But you might have been in your home for 2, 3, or 4 years, but all you just did was reshuffle the deck, start this clock over from 30 years all over again. This is exactly why I teach the first thing HELOC strategy, because we can attack the principal faster. You have a lot more flexibility with how you manage your mortgage, and you can literally pay your home off potentially in years instead of decades. But you got to be willing to learn, and you got to be open-minded to the fact that there is a better way to home ownership, and it's not what we've all been taught or what we've learned or even what our parents have passed down to us. So if you're sick and tired of looking at your mortgage statement like this, where you know that the bulk of your payments going towards interest, and you're open-minded and you want to learn a better way, send me a message and I will show you how to do this thing.